Hey there, Madison here at Horn Canna Farm, and today we're going to be showing you plants that you combine with your cannas to create unique and show-stopping containers. These ideas work with bulbs or live plants alike. Today we're starting with 2 live plants that were just removed from their shipping containers. Let's unwrap them.
Once unboxed and unwrapped, live plants need to be watered. Soak the roots thoroughly and then acclimate them in partial sun and partial shade for 24 to 48 hours before planting.
For more information on unwrapping your live plants, watch our plant unboxing video. There's a link in the description. Here are 2 plants that have already been acclimated. Let's plant. For our first pot, we're going to use the thriller, filler, and spiller rule. So for our thriller, we have our Pretoria canna. For our filler, we have a coleus, and for our spiller, we have a purple sweet potato vine. And for our second pot, we're going to pair this Alaska canna plant with 2 pink periwinkles. Let's get them potted up and see what they look like. Wasn't that easy? Now, one thing to remember about container gardening is that when plants are in containers, they require more water than plants that are planted in flower beds. So we recommend using the 1-inch rule when deciding how often to water. All you do is insert a finger 1 inch into the soil. If it's dry, then you'll want to go ahead and water. In the description below, we've included a list of all of our favorite plants to combine with cannas. Don't forget to comment and let us know what your favorites are. We can't wait to see all of the beautiful combinations that you come up with this summer. Until next time, thanks for joining us here at Horn Canna Farm.